We're checking out today an HD dash cam 9.7 inches for recent cars that don't have a CarPlay or Google Play. And let's open this up. Comes in a nice box, magnetic opening, and show you what's inside. This is the 9.7 widescreen dash cam. On the back of the unit will be where your camera's at. On the bottom, you have little holes if you want to permanently mount your product. You have a gimbal that you can adjust, an on and off switch, your speakers, and touch screen. Grab the camera and adjust to the height you want. A micro plug and USB-A port, a micro plug, a TF slot, included SDXC card, and USB slot. You can adjust the angle by going up, down, left, and right. We have two self-adhesive stickers that you simply peel, align, and place on. Rear view camera sticker. The 128 gig card simply goes into the side of the unit. Included is a USB-C 12-volt charger with a replaceable fuse. A TRS to TRS cable. Also included in the package, self-adhesive GPS with the DIN. Self-tappers for the rear view camera. Please peel the sticker off with plenty of cable to plug into the main unit and to your rear. And an included instruction guide to get you started. Demonstration purposes, peel, stick, and adjust. Run your GPS and stick. Locate a spot inside or outside the car for your rear view camera. We're all set up. As you can see, you have everything there. You have the back license plate. For demonstration purposes, we are plugging in 12-volt power to the unit for the first time, showing it lit up. We are greeted with a welcome. Press the next. Choose your language. Choose your time code. Set the current time. And follow the instructions. You can slide to the left half of the screen, swipe to the screen, and so forth. Welcome to the use. We have CarPlay. Pair your phone via Bluetooth. We have MISC. We're choosing. Allow contacts and favorites. Use CarPlay with Smart Screen. Tighten up the back to adjust, and now we are with car screen. As you can see, here is the back camera of front view. We have a phone call, music, and maps. We have a brightness control. We have phone, miscellaneous, maps, messages, now playing, home, podcasts, audiobooks, calendars, and settings. We have a driving focus, wallpaper, Siri suggestions, and more. If we are driving, we are recording, as you can see. We have lane assist. We have a nice large screen. And you could do gestures. And you have all these things here to choose from. You have playback video that you could simply choose and delete by picking the ones you want and delete. The unit does a lot. You have maps available. We have a maps available. Right now it's not enabled to show. And if you want to listen to a local station or whatever, you have the ability to listen to. You could raise the volume and lower the volume as you please.
But then there's the other market, the one you've just been talking
You
about.
have the maps shown.
Or eBay, where if a Beanie Baby goes for 10 grand, the company that made the Beanie Baby doesn't really profit.
You have the
They promote that market by restricting sales.
You have the rear view camera.
1 year, 2 years, and then they would go out.
You have a split screen.
That was like added value.
And you have the front screen. We have auto shutdown by shutting power off and turning power on, auto turn on.